We're doing this! An animation. Never thought I'd see the day. Where are you? Technically another world, but that's not important. Then how can I hear you? What matters is, now people don't have to imagine what we sound like when they read the book anymore. And they don't have to read. People just don't like to read anymore. I'm so excited we have voices now. High five. Just wait, is this what I sound like? What were you expecting? I don't know, something a little more deep and heroic. I mean, no offense, but I kind of sound like you. I know. My voice isn't what I pictured at all. Does that mean we have good imaginations or poor voices? The voices, I'd say. I'll try it like this. Does this make me sound more epic? I'm gonna say no. Well, you can't say I didn't try. If that was trying, we're in trouble. 1 second. Oh, no problem. I'll just wait. Sorry, I got a little distracted watching videos. I now know how to train a giraffe. You know how it is. Sometimes you get a little sidetracked and forget what you were looking for in the first place. Anyways, where were we? In the middle of making a video? So, I looked up the guy doing my voice. He has no training in this whatsoever. I also peeked at the credits, and the same guy is voicing you. How does that make sense? Unless... Are you saying the guy voicing us is just an amateur? I'm afraid so. Looks like these are the voices we're stuck with. You know, till we can afford to pay some professionals. I'm not getting paid for this? Well, at least I can move. Actually, I'm pretty limited. I can't turn my head, and it hurts when I do this. Yeah, you should probably get that checked out. Where are we? And why was there no background? Why did everything turn black? Who am I? You never mentioned my name. And why am I wearing this costume? I mean, I'm not complaining. It is a pretty awesome costume.